Viltrox 14mm f4 Air review for Nikon Z and Sony E. Let's say you want a very wide lens to make your head look like an alien's head. Then you might want a 14mm lens. Just joking. We all know 14mm lenses are great for those wide, exaggerated landscapes. And today, I'll be reviewing one such lens, the Viltrox 14mm f4 Air. Although I got this lens for free, all the opinions in this video are my own. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. The Viltrox 14mm Air lens is a compact 170-gram prime with a small lens hood, metal mount, and 7 aperture blades. How does this lens perform? Sharpness. Let's start with f4, center, midframe, and corner. The lens performs pretty well but degrades in the corner a little. Note that in this result, I refocused on the different parts of the chart because the test chart was at near minimum focus distance, and this lens has significant field curvature. The effect of field curvature decreases quickly as you get farther from the minimum focus distance, so you can get pretty close to this performance in practice. At f5.6, the midframe improves a little, and so does the corner, with the center being about the same. By f8, there is some decrease in sharpness in the center and midframe, with a slight increase in the corner. Since I felt like doing something technical, I wrote a Python program to analyze the test chart to approximately measure sharpness, weighted by contrast loss. Here are the results that reflect the above discussion. Here, 0 to 100 is poor, 101 to 150 is average, 150 to 200 is good, and 201 and above is excellent. This is not as sophisticated as some commercial programs, but it gives a rough approximation of sharpness. Strengths. Strength number 1. It's small and inexpensive. This lens is one of those throw-in-your-bag-and-forget-it lenses. It's easy to take anywhere, and it won't make you cry if you drop it when you're climbing Mount Everest. Strength number 2. Very close focusing distance. The 13cm minimum focus distance gives you the option of shooting up close. It's good for distorted product shots, large insects, and the fangs of the king cobra, if you can survive a king cobra. Strength number 3. Not too much distortion. Here's a shot of a grid taken up close. You can see there's some distortion, but it's mild. Strength number 4. Sunstars look decent. The sunstars aren't perfect, but they are pretty decent 14-point ones without too much weird fraying. Weaknesses. Weakness number 1. It's not weather sealed. Typically, a 14mm lens will be used by landscape photographers who love the very wide look, which often goes hand in hand with inclement weather. There's no weather sealing on this lens, so you'll have to go through some extra effort to protect it if you're hit by a tsunami. Weakness number 2. Strong vignetting. Yes, this lens has some strong vignetting. It can be corrected, but you might experience some image quality degradation if you're going for that ultra HDR look that should be a crime. Conclusion. The Viltrox 14mm f4 Air is an optically very good prime. Landscape photographers may have to be careful in keeping this lens dry, and it would have been nice to have a little bit less field curvature and a little bit stronger corners, but those are just small compromises for the amazing price of this lens of just about $200. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next time.